Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. But new subscribers and returning subscribers, you're very much welcome. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, awesome bread pies. It's real easy, guys. You can make this at home in the morning at any time. So these are the ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. So first, you want to roll out your bread. Make sure that the bread you're using is very fresh, really fresh, otherwise you won't get the desired results. So with a rolling pin, you want to flatten the bread real good. Okay, when you've done this, I went over the bread like 4 or 5 times until I got what I wanted. So when that was done, I got my pizza cutter. You can use a knife if you don't have this pizza cutter. So I use the curly part of the cutter to just cut the edge, so it gives it this beautiful zigzag lines. It's more beautiful when you use that bit. So I took out the cut edges of the bread, and next thing I did was to add my minced meat filling. Okay, followed that with some grated cheddar cheese, red cheddar cheese, and basically this was just all I used for the filling, guys. And next thing I did was just to cover the bread. I put the filling on one half of the bread and then use the other half to cover it, and then I used my chopsticks, just for beauty. I used my chopsticks to poke down the sides of the bread so that they stick to each other. Okay, so I did this one without sealing with egg wash, and basically this is it. So for the next one, what I did was to use a knife to cut one half of the bread. I just created about 3 holes there with my knife. Okay, so on the other half of the bread slice, what I did again was to fill it up with my filling, just how I like it. So for this one, I used a mix of minced meat, cheddar cheese, and mozzarella cheese, and I used egg wash to brush down the sides, just to show you that you don't really have to use egg wash if you don't want to. Okay, so after that, I just covered it. All right, and then of course I used my chopsticks to seal the edge, just to beautify it further. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So again, if you don't have the pizza cutter, you can use a knife, regular knife. Just roll it down and then use a knife to cut down the edges again, and then fill it up how you like it. For this one, I just filled it up with just mozzarella cheese and brush with some egg wash, and then I used a fork to seal down the edge, just how you do your regular meat pies. So yeah, this is it. So next thing I did was to poke holes on each of them, and then after that I brushed it with some egg wash, ensuring that I coated all parts of the bread. Okay, so I baked it at 150 degrees for about 10 minutes, and guys, this is what they look like after baking. Looking so gorgeous and lovely. I finished all of this by myself. So guys, this is one of them, the one that has cheddar cheese and minced meat. You can see how filling and how yummy it looks. And this one here is the one with the mozzarella cheese, I think. Guys, just look at that cheese draw. Like, it's so gorgeous to behold. So please, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't, and please subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.